Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Honda CBR600RR Super Sport bike. This is a middleweight Super Sport, inline 4-cylinder. It's liquid cooled with fuel injection. Fantastic handling, gorgeous to look at. This is the beautiful metallic silver and black. Only 20,000 miles for $54.99. This one has a lot of cool features. It's got frame sliders. We're going to put 2 brand new tires on it. Flush mount turn signals in the front. Fender eliminator kit in the rear. This bike is in gorgeous shape. Great buy, only $54.99. We have financing available, extended service contracts. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. 2005 Honda CBR600RR, just $54.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.